Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I'm here with my little princess Margalida. So happy to have her back, and we want to show you this fun hairstyle. Look to the lights, very good. With the extensions that we used for her already last summer. So we're recycling them today for this big ponytail in some kind of Adriana Grande flare, whatever. And Margalida has normally short hair until here. You see it if you watch the tutorial. And if you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the little bell here down below. And let's get started. Yen? I am happy to have Margalida back as my model today, and the first thing I'm going to do is to clip all the hair away because we're starting with the bangs. A little challenge actually, as the hair is quite short and I would like to have for this style a bit more important fringe. So what I do at the very first time right now is I start with ironing, with flat ironing with straightening the bangs. Goodness, hard to find words sometimes in English. So that's what I do. What I like a lot on these KIPOZI mini straightener is that it's so tiny that I can perfectly reach until nearly until the scalp without burning her, of course. And that's what we got. When you use a comb, it's always easier. Be careful to not get burned. And now I'm taking single strands just to add them into the fringe, and this will make that it looks just much more. This cream that I'm using right now is a self-made one. Just leave me a comment down below if you would like to see a recipe for it. And smells of cocoa and has shea butter. And for hair, and now especially for dry hair, and especially now in summer where Margalida loves to jump into the pool, it is important to give some extra moisture to the hair and some extra protection. So I like to use that instead of gel, because gel often is drying the hair, and her hair was already so dry that we just used a bit more than usual. And for this style we want it all sleek, so showing you now how I do the ponytail. You have been seeing me doing this already many times. I first take the back part and tie it off with a hair elastic. Before then I use the rest of the hair and just join it. Now when you take the front part, the good thing is that you won't see any parting, and because you are actually working with less hair, it's much easier to get a neat result. And that's what I like on ponytails, that they are very neat. You see here the parting is covered, and then I just make a little bun by doing a loop, and the ends I just wrap around by twisting them and then pin everything into place. I want to have this little bun to give the ponytail that we're going to do with only the extensions to have more volume. Now here for styling and putting everything in place for the bangs, I'm using again the same cream. This cream is nice because it's all organic and natural, and then I'm going over with artificial hairspray, but okay, we wanted this style to look perfect, and this is how it ended up. Now we are using the extensions. I got these already last year, so they are actually a bit overused perhaps, but showing you here how to tie the knot. So her finger now are the extensions, and then you just bring one loop through the other, and like this you attach the hair tie in the middle of your extensions. Then bring this hair tie over the little bun. If you have much more hair than Margalida, don't make a bun, make a ponytail and just hide the natural hair under the extensions. And now you just have to flip the extensions over, and we're going to cover with one part of the extensions the bun now, You see that here I took more or less the half and I pin it into place. The bun now is used like a cushion where you can perfectly pin in the bobby pins, and then you also will need a little strand to just go once around the base of the ponytail. So just section off a little strand. Your model can hold that while you're working with the rest of the hair, or you just let it down like I just did it. Make sure that the extensions are neat and combed. Use some hairspray to keep them into place if you need. And then the same with that strand, comb it out. Everything should be nice and detangled. And just wrap it around the base of the ponytail and then pin the end into place. And this is our final result. A high ponytail, super long, with extension. These ones were colorful. Margalida chose them and she loved her extremely long hair. Look at this face, look at this smile. Do I have to say anything else? Please, if you like this tutorial, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, share the video, that helps us a lot. And yeah, if you have any requests for a new tutorial, feel free to leave a comment down below, and see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.